Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anastasia. I'm your go-to holistic health and fitness expert. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, I'm telling you, you are missing out. So do one thing right now, subscribe to the channel. Here I share my expertise of 15 years of experience, how to live life holistically, how to heal and prevent illness from your life naturally with the food, with the nutrients that is accessible from the nature and from the food. So hence you prevent in a future disease in your life, you prevent illness, and you prevent diagnosis by eating properly, by working out, by being alive, and all the pillars of holistic way of living. So in today's video, I want to share with you health and beauty benefits of pumpkin seeds. I think for the pumpkin itself, I will make another video for tomorrow, because pumpkin is one of the greatest vegetables which are so rich as a pumpkin meat, as a vegetable, and pumpkin seed is just an heavenly and amazing ingredient. So, first of all, again, such a small, tiny seed, green color, when you remove the shell, when you buy in a supermarket, in a grocery, in a market, in a souk, depends on which country you are living, there is already peeled green seeds, which are super rich in nutrients and microelements. So specifically, they are rich in antioxidant, zinc, biotin, magnesium, phosphorus, fatty acids, and phytophthane, the acid for a better sleep. So basically, well-known major 7 ingredients and 7 benefits from microelements and nutrients. Also, they are high in fiber, high in protein, high in phosphorus, magnesium, zinc, biotin. So it's an amazing amount of microelements and nutrients from just a seed. And you do not need to have a bunch of supplements in your shell when you can have intake of seeds and nuts on your regular basis, on your daily basis. I tell for a few times already in previous videos that me myself, how I follow, I keep 1 teaspoon of each seed. I have sesame seed, I have sunflower seed, I have flax seed, I have poppy seed, I have also pumpkin seed. I also put sometimes some nuts, either it's cashew, either it's hazelnut. I put them with the hot water in the morning or overnight with the water, so just a little bit of liquid and spoon of honey, and it would be my go-to after celery. I will have a coffee, and this would be my combination with the coffee, which is an amazing element. It's a bomb of microelements and nutrients together that you give yourself in the morning, and you sustain your digestion system with a great amount of these microelements, nutrients, fatty acids, omega-3, fats, zinc, biotin, everything is there, so you do not crave here and there for bad food items, which is the core. So first of all, the pumpkin seeds, it's rich in nutrients and microelements. Number 2, it's benefiting your digestive system because of great amount of fiber inside the pumpkin seed. Your digestion system would be smooth. You will not have an issue with eating disorder, with eating and craving for sugary food items, for salty, for fried, and you will have sustained your gut health properly with a smooth digestion, with a smooth bowel movements, which also promoting by pumpkin seeds and hence the rest of the seeds as well. Number 3, it's a heart health. Pumpkin seeds, it's rich in elements that reduce your blood sugar, so hence your heart stays healthy as well. Not only it's benefit you and prevent you from diabetes in the long run, or get you out of the risk from diabetes, from a high blood sugar, from a spike of blood sugar. It's also prevent your heart from a heart disease from this rich microelement. The number 4, it's also better sleep. The acids, the phytophthane acids that have inside pumpkin seeds, it promote relaxation. This is that we're missing out, the relaxation which you can get after hot milk, after poppy seeds. Pumpkin seeds also promote this relaxation and hence improve your sleep, because sometimes we can sleep only with the light sleep, but the quality of the deep sleep. And when you fully relax, when you get out the stress, when you allow your body fully to recover over the night sleep. This is what means real relaxation. No issue with insomnia, and phytofen, it helps you with this. Number 5 we have is overall well-being benefits, because again of so many microelements and nutrients, all your body inside and out are beneficial. So here I'm discussing all the benefits, but overall, also to summarize it, all your body is promoted and all your body benefiting here from microelements. Number 6 is weight management. When you have proper amount of microelements and nutrients, zinc, biotin, magnesium, it helps you with promoting healthy body image, but also it's supposedly that you eat healthy nutrients and healthy fats, you do not crave for bad food, and hence you do not gain any pounds, especially now we are in autumn, winter, you do not crave for bad foods, you keep your body in a great shape, or even you promote better body shape for your body. So very, very good. Specifically, there's very rich and high source of magnesium for people who are already working out, for people who working out like really hard for 3-4 times a day for 2 hours at a time. You need high level of magnesium in your food intake to let your muscle and muscle tissue to recover properly. So you do not need this bottle with magnesium. You can eat just 1 teaspoon of pumpkin seeds daily and you will be covered. So we have then number 7, it's a skin benefit. Because of the high amount of zinc, biotin and healthy fats, your skin would be more resistible towards any breakages. Again, we are going to autumn and winter season. For one who are living in a 4-season country, even for 2-season country or 1-season country, it's very beneficial when you have high diet with zinc, biotin and healthy fats, so your skin is healthy and resistant towards any breakage, towards any inflammation, any redness, because it's have enough of foundation to be resistant towards this. Then also your hair health. If you are you are struggle with hair loss because of the stress, because of the issue, because of the water, because of the relocation to different country or different city. Sometimes even when you relocate within the same city to different apartments, the plumbing work and the sewage is different, so the water quality is different, and then again it can result in a poorer quality of your skin and your hair. Of course the filter would benefit, but when you have proper diet, you do not need to have any sprays for your hair to prevent your hair loss, because it's only on the inside surface. But the problem is from inside, and you need to heal your nutrient amount of your body, that it will have power to keep your hair on your scalp. Okay, so even a friend of mine, I saw her last week, Alina, and she was telling me that she has so much hair loss nowadays, and she bought like expensive flacon of a spray for her hair to prevent hair loss, which cost like something $100. I tell her, come on, you do not need to do this, just go and buy this super mix that I was just sharing with you, that I have with my coffee. 1 kilo sunflower seeds, 1 kilo pumpkin, 1 kilo sesame, 1 kilo flaxseed, 1 kilo poppy seeds. You mix them 1 teaspoon every single day, you eat, and you do not need to have any spray. Your hair will have power to stay on your scalp, and it will have power to be shiny, to be strong and to be healthy. Also it will promote your hair growth. So skin, hair, it's also pumpkin seeds and pumpkin oil are very high in source of antioxidants. So it's beneficial for you if you are looking up to stay useful and to stay fresh and to not let age take over. And it's not about being suffocated about aging, but it's about to age gracefully. When you have a rich diet with the whole food items, you will age gracefully, you will reverse aging, and you will enjoy your age at any stage you are. Is it 50, is it 60, is it 40, does not matter. Even some people nowadays struggle when they are 30 with their age. So when you have a rich diet, you do not stuck with the junk food, you have these micro elements that would promote resistance towards fine lines, wrinkles, puffiness, and aging of your skin overall, not only on your face but also on your body. So pumpkin seeds have a lot of antioxidants, so make sure you include them. And also it helps you with your overall well-being, with again, I just mentioned for the inflammation, but I want to point this out. If you do not know, inflammation is happening in your digestion system, any sort of inflammation, because of the weak immune system. It's also help you to keep in your immune system properly, because you have irregular bowel movements. Look how everything is interconnected, right? Simple thing, how you eat, it's result in everything. The way you sleep, your stress level, if you have a hair fall, if you have an issue with the sexual drive, etc., etc. So it's very important to look at this under the lens of major health, inside and out. One more thing I want to add also for the pumpkin seeds, that it's very high in nutrients that slower down the development of cancer cells. We are all having cancer cells inside our body, and it's help promote and keep those cells kind of like frozen, because with the wrong diet, with smoking, with the bad habits, the cancer cells have capacity to grow, but when you have a proper food, clean food, they are not growing, they are frozen. Also, pumpkin seeds, nutrients and microelements help to heal prostate. If the men suffer with prostate, you need to include pumpkin seeds in your daily intake. So 1 teaspoon a day will keep you safe. Also help with the man health for sexual drive, as well as there is some antidotes for a female sexual drive that it also promotes, but majority is clarified for the quality of man sexual drive and a man healthy sperm production. Plus, one more thing, not only pumpkin seed but also pumpkin oil is very healthy and great to have in your salads, to have just as if you practice to have a shot of oil. It's also very beneficial to have all these elements, but just make sure that you find a great supplier who are organically made, without any pesticides, without any chemicals, because it's very important. And to summarize, the best source how you can implement every single day, every other day in your diet, pumpkin seeds. You can spread them on top of your salad, on top of your toast, on top of your chia seed pudding, on top of your cereal, oats, even the granola, smoothie also, main dishes. If you're a fan of fish or the meat, you can bake it, the meat, or inside as a, not use breadcrumbs but use a seeds. Sometimes I use also almond slides, pumpkin seeds. It's also make a magic taste and good crunch, and again you get this source of micro elements. So this is it for this video. I hope it was insightful. You will take to the consideration to go tomorrow and buy for yourself 1 kilo of pumpkin seeds and start implementing from tomorrow 1 teaspoon a day in your daily intake. If you struggle with your nutrition, with your weight loss, with your body image, if you have issue with the panic attacks, with the stress, with the depression, you do not know where you go in life, you do not know what to do with your life because of your age, believe me, it's all happening on the basic foundation. What you eat, what is your lifestyle, active, passive, and what is your mindset. I help with all of these pillars, and all pillars are named as a holistic way of living. If you need my help, my support, my coaching, I offer free consultation calls. So you are heavenly lucky to get this opportunity. Just send me an inquiry on social media. I have links down below: LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, email, and you have an opportunity to book free consultation call with me. We will meet with you over the Zoom. I will help you to inquire your current situation and guide you throughout this process, offer you my tailor-made coaching which would be specifically made for your needs, because I need to know where you are right now standing, and hence then I create a program for you where I guide you consistently for 3 months or 6 months. It's our choice how long we want to make this program, and I guarantee for you tremendous results. You will forget about any sort of diagnosis that you have, any sort of headache or chronic disease that you may have, either it's gastritis, either it's thyroid, either it's menopause syndromes, you can heal. There's always room to heal with this holistic way of living. So I will wait you in my DM. I am personally checking them out. I reply to all of them. Let's meet, let's discuss, and let's transform your life for you to be the healthiest and the best version of yourself. Put a like and do not forget to share with someone who needs to know about pumpkin seeds. Let them know the beneficial power, the superpower of pumpkin seeds. And I will see you in the next one.